Vulkan is the only open standard and cross-platform API for high-efficiency access to graphics and compute on modern GPUs. Derived from AMD's revolutionary Mantle API, the Vulkan API provides applications with direct control over GPU acceleration for optimized efficiency and performance. Vulkan exposes features that were not accessible through OpenGL, delivering benefits that include close-to-metal control of the GPU, demanded by sophisticated game engines and interactive media, reduced driver overhead and CPU usage, enabling faster performance and better image quality, superior utilization of multi-core processors. Vulkan is the only high-performance graphics API that works across multiple operating systems, including Windows and Linux systems. An industry leader in open standards technologies, AMD donated the Mantle API code to Khronos to jumpstart Vulkan development with a solid and proven technology foundation. AMD's co-development of the Vulkan API paves the way for PC games to run on both Windows and Linux, with the same features and performance. Vulkan makes this possible for the first time, enabling a big step forward for PC gamers seeking an exceptional gaming experience on AMD Radeon GPUs and APUs. For more information, visit www.gpuopen.com.